Hello guys, I'm a Halloween Quiz. To tell you in this tutorials how to remove permanently iCloud activation lock links from any iPhone device, either it is old one or new ones. Permanently you can remove iCloud activation lock links. Either it is in stolen mode, lost mode, blacklisted, time screen, passcode, iDevice, mobile management, lock or Touch ID, Face ID. We can address by a similar strategy. So let's learn now how is it possible. It is a trap in a speechless stuck in lock to owners. What is the easy way to get rid without any hassle, without doing a jailbreak at your home? Of course, you can apply similar strategy and surprisingly, of course, you will get a result. That's how easy it is, break. How it's easy to break it, guys. So how? Let's see. Firstly, we will give the configuration by virtue of iTunes in a cloud database server on any iPhones. So it is saying that was lost erase, enter the ID and password. This were used to set up this device. We don't know what's the actual ID. Then we will come in a especially through YouTube. Don't worry, without Apple ID and password, we can lock it. So now, yes, we would be here. Now see through YouTube, just we will go for recommendation of latest is IPSW. So just we will go for here, cut it from here, and upon now we have a two 8 points, 18.5s, latest one. So just we can download or we can import it. Yeah, directly we can download or we can import it. So first and foremost, we'll have to go with this. Yes, I had already downloaded, and of course we would like to import it. So today actually I had this device that came at my source to a bypass, so I had it downloaded. But let's make a tutorial. That's why actually with record live we will attempt to unlocks. Let's see what's going to happens. Multiple devices are the coming in a day, especially, but especially let's make a tutorial on this. So this one is a similar beta version, sorry, similar, especially IPSW. You can see 18.5, 12, sorry, 22 app 76. So this is, so today I had a downloaded. So just we will come in a download directly. We can download from here, but of course we had a downloaded total size of as we know that more than 7 something GB, 8 GB approximately. So that's why guys, so how would I import that I had a download? Of course we'll come the import option, we'll come download options. Let's verify by this. So it has started to verify, and this is here. Just we will come there. Yes, we will click on here. This is lock to owner that we can see here. Yes, we will come now. See, now what we will do guys here, see, this is eyeball, it's an old one, so this way let me, we are unable to, let's back, and so it has been successfully imported. We will come in a toolbox, we will come in the crash analysis. Let's detect and find out there is any data. Yes, through all file we will have to delete. So whatever data inside in a iCloud database, of course we will clear from here by getting, but it will show you that there is no record, but of course we will have to go in the inside, and this smartly we will have to. Third options, that first is the iTunes, second is the especially requirements guys, requirements iTunes, 3U tool, and the third one is the especially imaging PC. So you can download this IPSW by coming on this website also, 33 www.3u.com, ipsw.com, ipsw.beta.com, on itself Apple website, of course, and there is there. So now, so the third tool we need, that's the especially imaging PC. So where it is, let's close, we'll back and we will check it out. So now it has the detected, we will go with the trial version. These all tools are totally free. Now here we will have the show device console, we will come in here, and of course we will clear. So it is asking that is locked to owner, so of course, but however 20 times 8 layers, so we have to clear. After 10 times here, see, after 10 times we'll have to back it. Let's see. Now once again Keep clearing 20 times 8 list. 8 list 20 times, especially we have to clear. So now we came here almost. Now see guys, similar step by step. It's a complicated, but of course when you have a time, then go for in RAC mode. Then of course let's see, almost it has been clear what screen is coming. Of course we can close this tool, we can close this tool, yes, and we will be on here. We'll come to go in the flash, then we will come in the special selection this. Select the space line in the quick flash mode. Don't go with retain user data, means it's an application will be retained, so that there is no console clearing. Means from Apple database server we have the clear, in a cloud database by the crash analysis we have the clear, because the two security on it both have the clear. So don't go with this with the retain user. We will come the quick flash and we'll go for it one quickly. Let's see what's going to have the result here. Both have dance. Now it is going to exit from the recovery mode, and upon of course the further we will see that 2-3 are crucial step, and of course crucial step that we will have to execute at the end of this tutorial also. And the 2-3 the precaution also. So the firstly, let's cross more than 35%, then we will see, otherwise it will give you error in the midst of it. So see, now it has crossed the 34%, so almost it will be a, let's see. Now 50% is. So you have to do nothing much more here. Just wait and watch till it's not notifying the any error, guys. We are on a 60%. Let's see. See, actually, I feel bored here just for waiting or in a waiting. Just 2-3 additional information we would like to tell you here. During the flashings, the process your device may restart multiple times, so please don't disconnect, don't unplug the device. This is one precaution. Second is that don't use local data cables. Try to use good quality data cable, otherwise in a midst of it will, when stuck, then you will have to go for manually this device into the recovery. So keep holding till it's not going DFA or Apple logo, sorry, on iTunes logo. Then manually how do you switch from normal mode to other recovery, that or freeze any iPhones, freeze the iPhones, how do you switch into the recovery? You will have to do this carefully, otherwise we will make this separate tutorial, no problem at all. Now here if it is going to especially stuck on Apple logo, then manually you will have to put. So I'm waiting on here 60%. See, it's taking time. Don't worry, you have to not worry at all. Now wait for any notifications. If any notification comes, we will come with this ones. Otherwise here, see, it's installing, coming with the new firmware. So we'll have to wait here. Almost more than 60%, 80% we have done here. From there on especially a screen on monitor, that is actually processing on a 60%, maybe it will directly jumps. Everything's in front of you. Data cable has been connected from here. You can watch it. Everything is in front of you guys. This is live tutorials. Yes, and it's only for education purpose. Don't make it commercials, but here watch carefully and do a step-by-step similar strategy. Either it is locked with a special or linked with Apple data or cloud database server. For both, especially we can get rid of it easy from both. 69% is especially dense. Now 2-3 crucial steps that we will have to execute at the end of this tutorial. That is very essential. So you will have to watch the till the end of this tutorial. Further, of course, we will take the 5 to 10 minute more here. And of course, if you watch, yes, till the end of this tutorial, then of course you will know the basic issues. If we come, then how would I fix it? Now we are on a 70% and they are more than especially see here. 90% is we have completed on in a physical form. They are C on a digital form. So there 70% is C. Directly it will jump from there, and of course it will notify that what's happened. If error will come, so then also I will fix it. I have taken your guys still, I mean, you have this spent here more than 10 minutes and less than 11 minutes. Let's see for the 5 to 10 minutes spent on this tutorial, and you would be a veteran to Wi-Fi's Terminator is the permanent slave curse or element iCloud activation lock links. It's a totally free, without doing jailbreaks, without any hassle at your home, with the help of laptop, PC, computer. Of course you can terminate. Very easy, of course, to bypass or terminate, and it's a permanent method because when we use the chargeable tools, then with the help of jailbreaks, if we do, then what's happens that guys, I unlocked. Once again, if it's going to restart, then jailbroken will be in a normal mode and it will trap in the once again on iCloud. But this method is a totally completely permanently method, guys. So go with this. Please learn carefully, then execute a similar strategy. Now almost we are waiting on it. 70% is, and there almost we have done it. Almost guys, 90% is we have completed. Further 5 minutes I will take it. Two things more that additional I would like to add here point of view. That the first is that try to have second internet connection also, because 3U tool will work on a cloud data or Apple data. So there should be a, if any error comes in a first internet connection, then you should have. And second, customize the precise locations there. For it, you will have to use the virtual private networks if error will comes down. So I'm waiting now. Within a 30 seconds we will have to execute batch activation. Batch activation means we are trying to skip the setting of the region, language, Wi-Fi, location, all the things, Apple ID, Face ID, Touch ID, iCloud, everything, guys, all kind of security. Now it's restarting, it will be highlighted, and upon within a 30 seconds we will have to execute. And there more probably of course that will give error. If it is not, then that's okay. Let's see if error will come. So then now see it has been highlighted. Fines, quickly we will come here, select the all, we will go for under activation with skipping through the whole things. Now see, he's installing, so there is a special activity and this comes to the whole things in iCloud with Apple database servers. What do you see guys here? How easily it's happening. Yes, in the first time it will be complicated for you, but of course watch carefully 1 to 2 times, then go for executions, and you will understand, you will get it that how easily we can unlock multiple devices by free of course. Because if you use the chargeable tool, there is a limitations that for 5 devices, further you cannot, but here unlimited, and of course totally free. Imagine PC, 3U tool, and third one is especially, that is iTunes, all are the free. Now here see, if error will comes, then we will have to change the internet connection. Once again we will have to execute in this step. However, error will comes, then of course we will use the precise location. Suppose this device belongs to a Hong Kong, then we will have to use the precise location of Hong Kong of what? Not this device, on your PC, on laptops, because there is no SIM card, there is no internet connection. But however, now see, successfully it has been escaped. Now what do you say guys? We will come on here, let's check it out. Deactivation is required or not? Yes, it is asking, so we will have to wait for 10 seconds to deactivate our fields. Let's count. So we came on the hello screen guys. So what we will do now, it should be highlighted. Fine. Now deactivation step also we have done. Now we will come on a home button, just we will select the language and we'll have to give the good configuration for what? By virtue of iTunes, so that in a cloud data or Apple data, Yes, it is linked or is still not linked, we will see here. So it's setting the language files. iTunes I had opened, so let me close here iTunes. Let me open it. Now see, it is activating files, and of course we are on a here. Let's see iTunes. We will go for run as an administration, so it will give us signal, guys. Let's see. Yes, we will come on here. Now see, it's unable to activate files. We will have to go for back and once again try again. It's totally dependent on iTunes, guys. iTunes is taking maybe, of course, what's the reason that iTunes has been completely crashed, or see here, it's taking again and again. It's taking time, guys, here. Still, it's taking time, guys, here. Internet connections along with especially see data, especially Apple data, actually internet connection given a wrong message here. That's why happens. On internet connections, it's giving especially red light. That's why happens. Let me. That's why. But it's a finally unlocks, guys. Just we will have to give. We'll have to give say especially. See, it's still taking. Let me have the another internet connection. I'm sorry, guys. It's essentially unable to activate because of internet connections. So maybe in a midst of internet has been a damage. Now that's why I have already mentioned to you that you will have to. Now I'm the trying to the connect second internet connection. No, now signal cam here finally on a green. See here, these connections has been so. Now once again we will try to open this. Let's see. We'll go for try agains. Oh, guns. This is all about, guys, there's no internet connections now, so what we can here, and electricity has gone, but of course finally it has been unlocked. See, it skipped everything has done.